Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions? You wake up tired, drag yourself through the day, and collapse on the couch, exhausted. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us fall into routines that drain our energy and leave us feeling uninspired. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if you could wake up each morning feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day? The good news is you can. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and unlock your full potential. It's time to hit the reset button and create a routine that works for you, not against you. In today's fast-paced world, it's easier than ever to fall into a rut. We're bombarded with information, deadlines, and distractions, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and depleted. Our routines, often developed unconsciously, can contribute to this feeling of being stuck. Think of your routine as the software that runs your life. If the software is outdated, it can lead to glitches and slowdowns. Similarly, an outdated routine can lead to decreased energy, lack of focus, and increased stress. By hitting the reset button and creating a routine that prioritizes your well-being, you can regain control of your day and live with intention. This means making conscious choices about how you spend your time and energy so you can focus on what truly matters. This essay will guide you through simple yet powerful changes to reset your routine and unlock newfound energy and focus. We'll explore 3 key areas. Morning routines. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Discover how a few simple tweaks to your morning routine can boost your energy and set you up for success. Meal prepping. The food you eat has a direct impact on your energy levels and focus. Learn how meal prepping can save you time and help you make healthier choices throughout the day. Mindfulness practices. In a world filled with distractions, mindfulness is your key to staying grounded and focused. Explore practical mindfulness techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. By the end of this essay, you'll have a clear understanding of how small changes can lead to big results, and you'll be equipped with actionable strategies to implement immediately. Section 4. Win the morning, win the day. The way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. Waking up feeling rushed and overwhelmed can create a domino effect, impacting your energy and focus throughout the day. However, by creating a positive and energizing morning routine, you can set yourself up for success. Here are a few simple tips to upgrade your morning routine. Asterisk consistent wake-up time. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time each day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, leading to better sleep and increased energy. Hydrate with lemon water. Start your day by drinking a glass of warm water with lemon. This helps to rehydrate your body, kickstart your metabolism, and aids in digestion. Simple stretches or yoga. Incorporate a few minutes of gentle stretches or yoga poses into your morning routine. This helps to increase blood flow, improve flexibility, and awaken your muscles. Asterisk journaling. Take a few moments to write down your thoughts, feelings, and intentions for the day. Journaling can help to reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and promote a sense of calm. Section 5. Fueling your focus meal prep for success. The food you eat plays a crucial role in your energy levels and ability to focus. Consuming processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can lead to energy crashes and hinder your concentration. On the other hand, nourishing your body with whole foods provides sustained energy and supports optimal brain function. Meal prepping is a powerful tool that can help you make healthier food choices and avoid impulsive, unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Here are some simple meal prep ideas to get you started. Overnight oats. Prepare a batch of overnight oats the night before for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Combine rolled oats, your choice of milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and fruit for a fiber-rich and energizing start to your day. Balanced lunch options. Pack a balanced lunch that includes a good source of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some easy options include salads with grilled chicken or fish, quinoa bowls with roasted vegetables, or lentil soup with whole grain bread. Snack. Prep pre-cut fruits and vegetables, portion out nuts and seeds, or prepare homemade energy balls for healthy snacks throughout the day. Having healthy options readily available will help you avoid reaching for sugary or processed snacks when hunger strikes. Consistency is key when it comes to meal prepping. By making it a habit to prepare your meals and snacks in advance, you'll be more likely to stick to your healthy eating goals and experience the benefits of sustained energy and focus. Section 6. Finding your center, mindfulness for clarity. In our hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel constantly on and overwhelmed by distractions. This constant mental chatter can drain our energy and make it challenging to focus on the task at hand. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can help you manage stress, improve focus, and increase your overall well-being. Here are a few simple ways to invite mindfulness into your day. 5-minute breathing exercises. Set aside a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Whenever your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Guided meditation apps. Explore the wide array of guided meditation apps available. These apps offer guided meditations for various purposes, such as reducing stress, improving sleep, or increasing focus. Evening wind-down routine. Create a relaxing evening routine to signal to your body and mind that it's time to unwind. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or spending time with loved ones. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily life, you can train your mind to become more present, focused, and resilient, allowing you to navigate the demands of your day with greater ease and clarity. Section 7. Small changes, big results. Resetting your routine doesn't require a complete life overhaul. It's about making small, sustainable changes that align with your goals and values. By focusing on improving your morning routine, incorporating meal prepping, and practicing mindfulness, you can boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and create a more fulfilling life. Remember, change takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Start by choosing one area to focus on and gradually implement the tips outlined in this essay. As you experience the positive impact of these changes, you'll be motivated to continue building healthy habits and designing a life you love. So, what small change will you commit to this week? Share your experience in the comments below and let's inspire each other on this journey of growth and transformation.